Imagine a tea that boasts a plethora of health benefits, a natural remedy for the ages. Enter Moringa Tea, a hidden gem discovered in the lush terrains of the Himalayas and widely cultivated in subtropical regions around the globe. This green elixir is packed with antioxidants, combating free radicals and reducing inflammation. It's a powerhouse for heart health, helping to lower cholesterol and blood pressure. But the magic doesn't stop there. Moringa tea is a celebrated ally for mental clarity. Its high iron and vitamin B content can boost your energy levels, improve focus, and enhance your mood. And here's the mind-blowing fact. Moringa leaves contain all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. A rarity in the plant kingdom. So, steep a cup, sip, and savor. Moringa tea, a testament to nature's genius. Drink to health, drink to life. Remember, what's good for the body is good for the mind.